All right, y'all back for another episode, I see. I'm gonna try to see if I can get these motor and transmission put together today. I'm pulling this flywheel off this motor here because I'm putting this straight drive on it. I pulled this automatic flex plate off of it, and you can see right through there, it's a crack. I thought I seen one somewhere else too. But anyway, I guarantee you that's why they pulled this motor out, because that thing was flexing, making a racket, and they pulled it out and put a new one in it. But there you have it. Hopefully I can put it in here today. That's what I'm shooting for. So I'll let you know. I'll be back in just a little bit. Look at her. She's in. She's in. I gotta get new motor mounts. Them old rubber motor mounts are collapsed, which I was gonna do anyhow, but the driver's side over there won't let me get the bolt all the way in because the motor mounts collapsed. And I gotta find my dang transmission cross member for the car. I took the thing apart probably 15, 20 years ago, and I don't know if I've loaned it to somebody and don't know I loaned it to them, or sold it, or give it away, or lost it, just whatever. That thing's gone. So if y'all may have a G-body transmission cross member laying around, shoot me a message, holler at me. I gotta have it if I can't find mine. And if I do find mine after I get one from one of y'all, I can give it back or just have a spare, just whatever. All right, look at there. She's going in, boys and girls. Starting to get excited now. Y'all have a good one.